Do you like a little interior design? Perhaps DIY home improvement projects, maybe even a little gardening? Well, hello and welcome. I am Trish and this is TrishTalkz. And as a professionally trained interior designer, I have spent the last 18 years customizing residential and commercial spaces. I have mastered the art of being super creative with home decor while dealing with limitations related to time and budget. Join me here on Fridays where I'll offer you tips on interior design, DIY home renovation projects, and a little indoor and outdoor gardening. Here on TrishTalkz, I believe your home should inspire you, and that starts with making the most of what you have. So, tell a few friends about TrishTalkz, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I will talk to you really soon. Bye.